and shaken settled. Shake before use to avoid sediment. If unused for a long time, white ink may settle. Stir the ink cartridge with a small stick. If there is viscous ink at the bottom, the ink cartridge needs to be cleaned. Pour out the waste inside. Use clean water. Shake and pour out the wastewater. Repeat until the inside of the bottle is cleaned. The poured out water becomes clear. Shake white ink well. Add ink.